Hey there, are you finding yourself in a bit of a bind with your iPhone Photos app? If you're the only one seeing one picture when you need to upload multiple photos, it can be really annoying. But don't worry, this issue usually comes down to some settings or syncing hiccups. Let's walk through some straightforward steps to help you troubleshoot and get back to uploading all your pics without a hitch. Solution 1. Allow full access to apps. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Photos. Here you'll see a list of apps that have requested access to your photos. Locate the app you're having issues with. Tap on the app and ensure that All Photos or Selected Photos is enabled. If you see none or selected photos chosen and the option is missing, switch it to All Photos. Solution 2. Check iCloud photo settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. After that, select iCloud. Next, tap on Photos. Make sure that iCloud Photos is enabled. If it's already turned on, try toggling it off and then back on again to refresh those settings. Solution 3. Check network connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. If your internet connection seems weak, try enabling airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. After that, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue continues. Now check your Photos app again. Solution 4. Update iOS. First, open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and download and install it. Software updates can often fix bugs that might be causing issues with the Photos app. Solution 5. Reset location and privacy settings. Start by opening the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then select Reset Location and Privacy. Confirm the reset and check if the problem is resolved. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the issue of only seeing one picture in your Photos app when trying to upload on your iPhone. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for more help. You got this. Happy uploading.